This is honestly one of the best things I've ever baked. Matt and I were just saying we feel like we could each eat another few pieces of this. It's so good. The crumble on top is perfect. It's like sweet because the mixture, I had tried the batter a little bit and it's not sweet at all. And so the combination of the two of them, it's so good. And it's like spongy. It's a pretty tall, well, you can see, I mean, this is like an 8x8 and oh man, it's so good. I'll show you guys the, because I can't pronounce this brand, but gluten-free cinnamon swirl. We could have done them as muffins as well. I'm glad we did it kind of as like a coffee cake. It's really good. It just feels good to be going through. Matt pointed out, he was like going through everything we have in our cabinets, and there are probably 3 other box mixes of gluten-free stuff, and I always get a sweet tooth after dinner. I always want a little something sweet. Always so nice to eat something like freshly baked and warm. Matt made like a really nice inventory also of everything that we have, so now it's like, okay, what kind of different dishes can we make using all the different ingredients we have that we know that we want to get rid of before necessarily going out and buying more of anything else. So I'm super excited. If you guys have specific food bloggers that you love because they put out really good, easy recipes, like I'm talking like 20 minutes of prep time max, please let me know in the comments. I would so appreciate that because I'm always looking for a good food blogger to follow that has super simple, easy recipes that are nutritious, healthy, gluten-free, ideally veggie based. Yeah, let me know. My face, I literally feel like a mess between this thing on my lip and my face breaking out, but I'm gonna pick it back up tomorrow for a little like Sunday reset vlog, or like a little Sunday like relax, but also do some cleaning and some stuff around the house, do a little meal prep. So I'm gonna bring you along for that. So yeah, I'll pick it back up tomorrow. Mom's house with the dogs. Goody go out and play with his friends, although he goes crazy. He's just like running around and the entire yard is ice, and I'm being like a helicopter mom and I'm nervous that he's gonna hurt himself. But we're here at Matt's mom's, we're watching the dogs play, and we are making pancakes and bacon for breakfast. Just like the perfect start to a chill Sunday. Hi.
Definitely like to be had here.
Hi boys. Just happy dogs. Happy dogs all around. Oh, everyone wants a cookie, huh? Okay, sit. Everybody sit. Okay. Walter, will you sit? Sit. Good sit, Gouda. You have an entitlement problem, Mr. Gouda. Hi, Walter. Walter's like, what's entitlement?
Walter loves the camera. Which is funny, because Mike scarred him with the camera when he was a puppy.
Hi, cutie boys. You guys are gonna break the internet with your big handsome faces. Okay, Walter, you're too cute right now. Oh, am I complimenting Walter? Look at these happy boys. You're the only one who's mad. Happy boys. Hi. Hi, Gus. Hi, happy Gus. Gouda, off. No, off. We are back from Matt's mom's and I just vacuumed the entire apartment. It feels so good. Stay tuned because I'm finally gonna do an apartment tour vlog soon. I was gonna record it on Friday, but it just didn't end up working out. Oh my God, is there anything better though than like having a freshly, like our bed looks perfect. The floors have those like, you know, vacuum track lines, which always just makes, I feel like the bedroom feel so clean. Everything is all nice and clean in here. It feels so good. And I washed all the counters of my bathroom yesterday. I like did all of these countertops and cleaned these yesterday. So that felt so good. I'm gonna dust up here actually right now so that I can finish up cleaning in the bathroom because I'm gonna get a little bit more cleaning done around the house. I'll probably do the countertops as well so that then the rest of the afternoon can be just more of a chill. So a perfect mix of like Sunday reset things, like having pancakes and bacon. Brunch was so good, getting some time with the dogs because Matt's mom is away. So her neighbor has been like letting the dogs out and everything like that, but we wanted to give them some extended quality time with their humans. So going over there was really nice. So I'm gonna clean these counters now. You have fun with your friends? Breaking out a little bit, so I'm gonna do a little face mask. I love this face mask from Beauty Counter. The Counter Plus charcoal face mask is so good because I have this huge pimple here and then something right under it and like a little something there, and I feel like I'm getting a pimple there. This charcoal mask is so good at like drying out your skin and clearing it up and just making it like super clear. So I'm really excited. I haven't even opened it yet. This is the first time that I'm using the full bottle. I had gotten some samples because I have a few different friends who sell Beauty Counter stuff. So I'm finally diving into my first bottle of the charcoal mask. I'm so excited. Apparently this goober was getting into something he shouldn't be. No, I don't think you want to lick this charcoal. I don't want you to lick this charcoal, buddy. Someone's being a big goober, huh? Oh, Gouda. Are you a big goober? You a goober? Thank you for the kiss. My face mask is totally dry. I'm gonna wash this off and let's see how my skin looks after it comes off. Face mask is off. Wow, it did such a good job. I feel like my skin looks so clear right now. This pimple hurts so much and it's like so much pressure on my face, but I've been getting really good at just like not touching my face, and it's remarkable how when you don't pick at your skin, everything heals faster. Huh, like the advice that everyone gives everyone, and then for the people who are like compulsively, you just like can't not mess with the pimple on your face or whatever. It's like when you follow the advice that you've been given for your whole life, you're like, wow, huh, funny how that shit actually works. So now that I have like a clean face, I'm gonna clean these countertops and then it'll really feel like everything in the apartment is clean. I actually wanna dust there too. So I'm gonna finish doing last minute cleaning things and then I can like actually sit on the couch and chill. did the counters. I cleaned a little bit, like dusted on the TV stand, did the whole bookshelf. And then I was like, I'm gonna just keep it going. So I just did the leftover dishes we had in the sink from last night, unloaded, like put away all the other dishes that we had out. So this now looks so freaking, like not only is it so clean, but now we don't have a whole bunch of dishes out. Oh, there's like nothing on here. It's so nice. And I just cleaned the stove top, so that looks like literally perfect. So now I can throw all this stuff back on. Put this away. Actually, this needs to be washed. Put these away. Oh, we've got such a clean kitchen now. It feels so, so good. And I took some clips of me cleaning everything on my phone because I'm gonna make my first Sunday cleaning reel. You know the videos that are trending of like, they're so fast and you only see the action step. You see like someone's hand grabbing each item. So I'm super excited to piece that together with these video clips that I took. So that's gonna be my fun little afternoon activity. I'm gonna end the video off here. If you guys liked this little chill Sunday day in the life, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.